Hey, what's going on, heroes? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Nathan Olson, and in today's video, we're going to be covering how to use Instagram Reels to get more Instagram followers. Coming up. Alright heroes, welcome back. Instagram Reels, being the new content feature on Instagram, is getting a major organic push in the Instagram Explore page algorithm. That means there's huge potential for you to generate more followers, organic reach, and even more views on your Instagram Reels by utilizing these 5 tips we're about to uncover right now. When it comes to growing on Instagram, nothing is more important than the quality and the value of your content. The same thing is true for Instagram Reels. The quality of your content determines how well it will perform. Your Instagram Reels content should be showcasing either your talent or your specific interests, or alternatively, you can create well-edited videos that captivate your audience's attention. People do this in a variety of ways, from tutorial videos to hilarious impersonations. You just have to figure out what works best for your audience. Some unique content types that I see working well for both Instagram Reels and other short-form video content platforms is loop videos, transition videos, tutorial videos, and entertainment videos, stemming anywhere from dancing to singing / rapping, songwriting, and even beat production. One thing about beat production and other types of singing and songwriting entertainment videos is that they have a huge amount of shareability. This is due to the fact of the duet feature on both Instagram Reels and TikTok. People can showcase and build on top of your content that you've placed on the platform, allowing you to generate a massive amount of organic reach and viral potential. The second thing you're going to want to do in order to generate more followers from your Instagram Reels is staying active and consistent. When it comes to Instagram Reels, it's a lot like TikTok. Organic reach is huge, meaning that the more times that you post on your account, the more opportunities you're creating for it to go viral. Not only that, by maintaining your posting schedule and your consistency, you create a rhythm and a cadence that you're going to become used to. Therefore, when your content does eventually go viral, it will be easier for you to continue that viral momentum and really help your organic reach and follower growth potential. On Instagram Reels, you should be posting at least once a day, but if you can post more than that, we highly encourage it. Instagram Reels is getting that huge organic push like we said before, so the more times that you post on your account, the greater opportunity and the greater chances you have for going viral. The third thing you're going to want to do is incorporate Instagram Reel hashtags that increase your post discoverability. Instagram Reels is a new content pathway on Instagram. That means that hashtags are gonna now be scraping Instagram users for all their Instagram Reels content. Therefore, hashtag competition to rank is extremely low for Instagram Reels, giving you a great opportunity to increase your overall organic reach and to really take over those high competitive Instagram hashtags. So it's important to do proper hashtag research before posting your Instagram Reels to ensure you're getting the most discoverability and the most chances of going viral with your hashtag set. Here are some hashtags that we've incorporated into our Instagram Reels that have done very well for us. That's going to be hashtag explore page, hashtag explore, hashtag Instagram Reels, hashtag Reels, and hashtag Reels Instagram. These have done great for our discoverability and have really boosted our posts, overall views, and engagement. I hope they work well for you too. The fourth thing you're going to want to do in order to generate more views, more followers, and engagement for your Instagram account through Instagram Reels is going to be collaborating with other influencers. Just like with Instagram story shoutouts, IGT, content collaborations, Instagram Reel collaborations are going to be a great way for you to cross-pollinate your followers with other influencers and to really open up a great relationship to further your content production and collaboration efforts. So look for Instagram influencers and Instagram Reel producers and creators that are relatively in your same audience size or even in your same following size. That way you guys can exchange ideas and cross-collaborate on some content. That'll give you a great opportunity and a new perspective on how you can be producing content. Last but not least is going to be number 5. That's going to be reproducing trends and or challenges. Just like TikTok, Instagram Reels is full of challenges and trends that live and die so fast. But that's perfect for you because Instagram Reels content is quick and easy to make. A lot of these trends that are going viral are not the hardest things to produce in the world, but people are absolutely going crazy for them. That's why they've become such viral trends. Instagram users and Instagram Reel viewers are constantly consuming this content, giving your content a great chance to reach new potential viewers. Not only that, when the Instagram Explore page algorithm understands that your content is under a specific trend, it'll start suggesting that to other viewers that are interested in that content. So you're really winning on both fronts. You're providing content that is value entertainment based for all of the Instagram community, and you're starting to get that push from the Explore page algorithm. So when reproducing content, it's important to put your own personal twist on it. That way you don't come off too copycat-ish, or copyrights won't get thrown at you, and you won't have to deal with any banning or action blocks. So it's important to put your own personal twist in, but always utilize viral trends because they're a great way to generate easy organic reach and to get a push from the Instagram Explore page algorithm. All right, heroes, that's all for this video. I hope you've thoroughly enjoyed it and have got a ton of great value from it. Make sure to stay tuned to the next one. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them in the comment section down below. If you need any help in advertising your business or growing your Instagram following, make sure to head over to yourcharisma.com where we have every solution ready for you. All right, heroes, Nate out.